How to find Fiverr promo code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Fiverr promo code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Fiverr is the world's leading marketplace for digital services. You can share your skills with the buyer community of Fiverr and make money while you are at it. Whether you are a graphic designer, programmer, content writer, translator, or voiceover artist, Fiverr is the place for you. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for notareview.com/blog/Fiverr-promo-code. Scroll down and you will be able to see a bunch of options. Copy the option that suits you the best and now go to the checkout page. Enter your promo code in the designated field. Make sure to copy and paste the code exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. Click on the Apply button. If your code is valid, you should see a confirmation message that the code has been successfully applied to your account. You are all set to enjoy the benefits of your promo code, whether it's a discount on a service or a special offer. So this was about how you can find Fiverr promo code. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.